Hi guys, this is Suruchi Hirawat. Today, let's talk about labels. What do I mean by labels? Uh, Labels that we keep giving to ourselves or people have given us. Labels are from where we see ourselves. Like if you label you're lazy, I'm very hardworking. What are these? These are labels. Oh, you're pathetic, you're good for nothing. Label. Ah, she's too arrogant. Label. So, what are the labels that, hi Bharat, what are the labels that you have given yourself? What are the labels that people have given you? What are the labels that your teacher gave you? Which you're still holding on and made it so real in your world that you feel you are the sum total of your labels and nothing more. So, my question is, are you just the labels that you have put on yourself? I am lazy, I am hardworking, I am fat, I am ugly. Oh, I'm a go getter, I am smart. So, isn't it a very limited way of looking at life and just a limited version of you it will come? What if you're more than the labels? So, my invitation to you is whether you're watching video now or in future is see what labels have you put on yourself which you feel proud of. It can be a label, oh, I'm so beautiful. Yeah, it's a label. But that doesn't give you an option or a choice to create beyond that. Because if you will make yourself wrong the day you're not working hard, because you have to prove to yourself and the world of the label that you have put on yourself. What what if that's not a freedom? It's not a choice. It's a restriction, it's a limitation. Why? Because I need to prove, I need to do. When the word need comes, the choice exists. Where is the choice? There's no choice. And we would like to have choice in everything. So, all the labels that you have put on yourself, would you like to let go of it? Destroy and uncreate it all times a gazillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all nourished by the boys and beyonds. And if this is the first video you're watching and you've not heard of Access, the right and wrong, the hockey pocky stuff that I just said, it's access clearing statement. So this is what we use when I ask you a question, an energy pops up. And with this clearing statement, we kind of clear that energy from where it started. You can use it, it's as simple. And if you would like to know more about it, theclearingstatement.com, Google it, and you'll get the whole length of details with the video, what this clearing statement does and how it works. So the other thing is, a lot of you have heard or know about labels and still you don't let it go. So, what do you love about those labels that you would like to play a limited life but not let go of the label? That is another question that I would like to throw at you. Ask, what do I love about these labels? I know these are labels, these are limiting, these are restricting, but still I'm not choosing to create beyond these labels. So, what do you love about it? Be honest, and there's no right and wrong. We all have certain labels which we feel that after so long I proved my worth. So, this I'm honored to have this label. But how much of that is also a struggle to keep you into the same box and creating again and again from the same box? Does it give you to choose something different apart? If you're lazy and you keep buying that you are lazy, will it keep you from let go of the label to see what your heart calls for and see how much fun can you have? But you have to keep proving to the people how right they are. Yes, I'm lazy, and you give up. You don't even put an effort to do something different. Are you really lazy? Or it was the time, the things you were not interested in doing that gave you the label of lazy because you didn't want to do it? And how much you're using to your advantage that you don't have to work because people have already concluded you're lazy, so you will not be given any work. So, how much of it is a escape mechanism? And somebody says, but it's working for me. Great. If it's working for you, keep it. But is it really helping in those areas also? Because when you buy the labels, you also believe those labels as real and true. And when you believe something, that's the sum total. Your point of view creates your reality. Your reality doesn't create your points of view. So you need to really sit down with yourself and say, oh, what labels do I keep putting on myself? Because every time you will anything, somebody, you know what, I'm too naughty. Great. But you're making it as a wrongness by putting it a label. What if it's just being an energy of fun and joy? And what it's okay? Because if you're naughty, you are funny, you can also be serious. But if you have a label that I am so funny, then you will not allow the other side of you, not allow you to peep into the other side of you, the fun side of you, as well as the serious side of you. Coins have both the side. So, how many labels we keep putting on ourselves on a day to day basis based on the outcome we expect, and it doesn't show up? So, are you willing to let go all the labels from your life? That is what I'm inviting you to with this video. Are you willing to see those areas where you are restricting yourself, your growth, your money flow, your relationship, your joy factor, your fun factor, with the labels that you have put, your family has put, your society has put, anybody has put? It doesn't matter who has put the label, you have a choice. Are you going to put the delete button to it? Or are you going to continue the same thing with the saying, I am so miserable and I can't change? You can have your drama and trauma, or you can just press the delete button. I'm not going to be a labeled person. Hi, Umesh. I'm not going to just live my life like a small box. This is a small box filled with labels. I'm just going to play those games. No. If you would like to choose something greater, the first thing is get rid of those labels. Get rid of them now. How to get rid of all the labels I have put on myself? I destroy and create it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all lines, shots, boys and girls. All the labels people have put on me, I destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all lines, shots, boys and girls. Do it every day. Because we're so used to labeling ourselves everything because we feel if we a label, we are not kitchen ingredient that we need to be labeled. It's haldi, it's shahad, it's ginger. We don't need those labels to tell us what are we. We can be anything and everything. So everywhere you're thinking that you need to label because it's get convenient. Let go of the convenience. Be so undefined. So undefined that you would like to know yourself every day. Who are you today without the labels? And people will be so interested in knowing who are you today without the labels. And what if you can be anything and everything that is required of you to be in a situation, but because of your label, you cannot be. You restrict your choices, you limit your choices, if I have to say. And sometimes there is no choice. You operate from the need. I have to do, I don't have a choice because of the label. I'm a kind person. I don't have a choice if I can't say no. What if you give up that good judgment, good label of yours of being nice, kind, so that you have a choice? Hey, I'm not in the mood to do today. And it'll be so easy to say without feeling guilty. But because of the labels, the guilt, the shame, all that comes, that doesn't allow me to choose freely what I do truly desire to choose. So, believe me, trust me, you need to honestly sit with yourself and just keep writing. Write all the labels that you have put on yourself, known, unknown, whatever keeps coming to you, just write. It's a no brainer because it's so prevalent. You really don't need it. When you write, it will just flow down as if it was just waiting for you to write it. And then go each one and says, okay, pocket pod. The other short form pocket pod is right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all nine shots, boys and cars. Short form is pocket pod. If you don't want to use the big clearing statement, you can use with the nickname pocket pod. It works magic. So that's the whole thing, guys. Would you, what kind of a life would you like to live? A limited or an expansive? Because if you would like to live an expansive life without any restrictions, limitations, and a life filled with choices, time to let go of the labels. Whether it's yours or someone else's, it doesn't matter. You have the power to delete it from your system. Are you choosing it? It's a choice. Bye.